Let me guess something about you. You open your trading platform, you see a setup, you enter the trade confidently. For the first few minutes, the market moves in your favor. You start imagining the profit, maybe $50, maybe $200, maybe even the trade that finally turns everything around. Then suddenly, the market reverses. Your profit disappears. Your stop loss gets hit. And now you're staring at your screen thinking, how does this keep happening to me? You study trading, you watch videos, you mark support and resistance, you follow signals, but somehow you keep losing trades. Look, if this sounds familiar, you're not alone. According to data from major brokers, between 74 and 89% of retail traders lose money. Not because they're stupid, not because trading is impossible, but because they are trading the wrong way. And today, I'm going to show you something that changed everything for me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop losing trades by mastering the 4-hour chart using 5 simple steps. These are the exact principles professional traders use to remove noise, avoid emotional decisions, and focus only on high-probability setups. If you apply these 5 steps consistently, you'll start seeing the market with clarity instead of confusion. And you'll finally understand why most traders lose and why a small group keeps winning. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because on this channel, we talk about trading, investing, wealth building, and the mindset required to win financially. All right, let's get into it. Why most traders keep losing? Before we even talk about the 4-hour chart, we need to address the real problem. Here's the thing. Most traders are addicted to fast charts, 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, constant action, constant noise, constant decisions, and it feels productive, but in reality, it's like trying to predict the weather by looking at individual raindrops. It doesn't work. According to a study published by the Brazilian Securities and Exchange Commission, over 97% of day traders lose money over time. Why? Because the lower the time frame, the more random movement you see, and randomness destroys traders. The power of the 4-hour chart. Now, this is where things change. The 4-hour chart filters out noise. It shows you what the market is actually doing, not just reacting to every tiny fluctuation. Think of it like this. Trading the 1-minute chart is like driving at 200 kilometers an hour in heavy traffic. Trading the 4-hour chart is like driving on a clear highway. Same destination, very different experience. And here's what most people don't realize. Many institutional traders, the big players moving billions, actually make decisions using higher time frames, like the 4-hour chart and daily charts, because those charts reflect real market structure, not emotional retail trading. Step number 1, identify the market direction. All right, step number 1. Before placing a trade, you must answer one simple question. Is the market going up, down, or sideways? Sounds obvious, but most traders completely ignore this. They take random trades without understanding the bigger picture. Look, markets move in 3 phases: uptrend, downtrend, range. On the 4-hour chart, this becomes extremely clear. Uptrend means higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend means lower highs and lower lows. If the market is trending up, you should mostly look for buy opportunities. If the market is trending down, you should mostly look for sell opportunities. Trading against the trend is like swimming against a river current. You might move forward briefly, but the current will eventually pull you back. Step number 2. Mark key support and resistance. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Support and resistance levels are where money actually changes direction. Professional traders watch these levels closely because they reveal institutional activity. On the 4-hour chart, support and resistance become much more reliable. Why? Because they represent significant price reactions. Here's a simple example. Let's say Bitcoin hits $60,000 3 times and bounces each time. That means buyers are defending that level. Now imagine price returns to that level again. Traders are watching, liquidity builds, and that creates opportunity. Most beginners draw too many lines. Professionals focus on only the most obvious levels. If the level is obvious to you, it's probably obvious to everyone else. Step number 3, wait for confirmation. Now, listen carefully. This is where patience separates professionals from gamblers. Most traders see price reach support and immediately enter, but the market doesn't reward impatience. Instead, you wait for confirmation. Confirmation can look like a strong rejection candle, a bullish engulfing pattern, a break of minor structure. This tells you something powerful. It tells you other traders are entering too. And trading is really about following momentum, not predicting the future. Think of it like surfing. You don't create the wave, you wait for the wave, then you ride it. Step 4. Manage risk like a professional. Now here's what most people don't realize. Trading success is not about winning every trade. It's about risk management. Let me show you something powerful. Imagine 2 traders. Trader A wins 70% of trades but risks too much. Trader B wins 40% of trades but manages risk perfectly. Who wins long term? Trader B, because risk determines survival. Professional traders typically risk 1% or less per trade. Let's do the math. If your account is $1,000, 1% risk equals $10. Even if you lose 10 trades in a row, you're still alive. But if you risk 10% per trade, just 5 losses can destroy your account. And this is exactly what happens to most traders. They don't lose because of strategy. They lose because of risk management. Step 5. Let winners run. Now this is where psychology destroys traders. And I say this with a little frustration because I see this mistake everywhere. Traders cut their winners quickly, but let losers run forever. This is completely backwards. Let me show you the math. Trader A wins $20, loses $50. Even if he wins more trades, he's still losing money. Trader A flips this equation. They aim for risk-reward ratios like 1:2 or 1:3. Risk $50 to make $150. Now, even if they win only 40% of trades, they are profitable. This is why patience matters. Let winners grow. Don't panic the moment price moves slightly. The psychology behind losing trades. Now you might be thinking, but I already know these things. And you're probably right. Most traders know the rules, but they don't follow them consistently. Why? Because trading triggers powerful psychological forces: fear, greed, impatience, loss aversion. According to behavioral finance research by Daniel Kahneman, people feel the pain of losses twice as strongly as the pleasure of gains. So traders panic. They close trades early. They move stop losses. They revenge trade. And the cycle continues. Mastering the 4-hour chart helps reduce this because it forces patience. A realistic trading example. Let's say you trade gold. Your account is $2,000. You risk 1% per trade. That equals $20. You take 10 trades per month. Your win rate is 50%, but your reward ratio is 1:2. That means 5 losing trades equals minus $100. 5 winning trades equals plus $100. Net profit is $100 per month. Now imagine you scale to a $20,000 account. Same strategy, same discipline. Now you're making $1,000 per month. The strategy didn't change, only discipline and consistency did. The real secret most traders ignore. Here's what most people don't realize. The difference between losing traders and profitable traders is not intelligence, it's consistency. Successful traders follow a process. They don't chase excitement. They don't trade every day. They wait. They observe. They execute when probability is high. And the 4-hour chart supports this perfectly. Look, trading is one of the few skills where discipline can literally change your financial future. But only if you treat it seriously. Stop chasing quick profits. Stop gambling on small time frames. Start focusing on structure, patience, and risk management. Master the 4-hour chart. Follow the 5 steps we talked about today. And over time, your results will begin to change. Not overnight, but consistently. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And in the comments below, I want to ask you something important. Do you currently trade the 4-hour chart, or are you still stuck on lower time frames? Let me know, because your answer might explain why your trading results look the way they do. And if you want to become a consistently profitable trader, make sure you check out the next video on this channel, because it might be the one idea that finally changes your trading journey.